Okay, good evening, teacher. In this night, I want to explain you the present continuous in a presentation of PowerPoint. In this night, pues, I can explain to you that with another actions or different actions in we see the use of present continuous. Go to the presentation. All right, present continuous by Oliver Angarita, English class, UCC Campus Barranca Bermeja. Right, that's so good. Present continuous. Now, is he sleeping? Yes, he is sleeping. I am playing pool. I'm studying English with a dictionary. Right, I am seeing a movie of horror. Hmm, I am drinking water. The water was good. I am playing video games in my computer. Is that night? I am doing exercise in my house gym. I am cooking guacamole. Guacamole is so delicious. I am feeding my cat Chiquitun. Mm, I'm taking a shower. And thanks teacher for see this presentation with me, Oliver Angarita. See you later in another work.